In today's fast-paced and highly competitive industrial manufacturing world, factories often struggle to collect and analyze critical data in real time, making it difficult to understand the efficiency of their production processes and losing hundreds of hours with repetitive tasks like manually building reports. Without a complete view of the factory's shop floor, optimizing operations and making data-driven decisions becomes an impossible task for decision-makers in production. And that's the vision that drove us to develop Octavic, our digital manufacturing operations management system. It's a complete solution that enables you to gain operational visibility and design improvements to the entire production process from end to end. But let's take a look at your factory's digital journey with Octavic. We first start by collecting real-time data from all your production equipment, integrating them seamlessly into our visual management boards, tailored for each organizational level. Therefore, you gain operational visibility into everything that happens in your factory wherever you are, whenever you want. Using our automated reporting, our customers save hundreds of hours every month of manual data collection and reporting. Using and-on alerts, Octavic instantly notifies you and all the relevant stakeholders whenever production issues arise, drastically reducing reaction time and waste, keeping your operations running smoothly. You'll never have to speculate on how everything works anymore. With Octavic, you can monitor over 70 key performance indicators, allowing you to pinpoint production problems and target improvement actions. But that's not all. Our system also empowers you to track real-time electrical energy and industrial fluids consumption, helping you reduce your bills and save the planet. After a few months, you can even say goodbye to human error and inefficiencies in production planning. Our AI-based system generates automatic production schedules, maximizing efficiency and reducing costly mistakes by alerting whenever you might run out of materials or miss any deadlines. If you ever need any help, don't worry, you've got Ada, Octavic's AI-powered data assistant. Access information, request reports, and get real-time updates, all with simple voice commands, just like Siri, dedicated to factories. You can choose to implement the entire system or just specific modules, since the Octavic system is designed to fit your factory's specific needs. Octavic's system is being used in multiple different factories and industries across the world, helping them reach annual benefits of millions of dollars starting as early as year 1. Don't fly blind. Pilot your factory today and unlock the full potential of your production processes using the Octavic Manufacturing Operations Management System.